welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to properly collect a midstream urine sample at home. Yay! So, I chose this topic because it is an important process used in medical testing to ensure accurate results, especially when diagnosing for infection or to determine the exact antibiotic for an existing infection. And from my experience in medical field, I have come to realize that not all patients really knows how to carry out this procedure properly at home. So let's walk through the steps together. For this procedure, you will need a sterile urine collection container. You would also need an antiseptic wipes, something like this was antiseptic, and then you will need a clean towel. And of course, you need a clean bathroom. But for the purpose of this video, we will not be carrying out this procedure in a bathroom. So let's run through the steps together. The first step is all about hygiene. Now you're in the bathroom. What to do is to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, right? Make sure to scrub all parts of your hands. Rinse well and dry with a clean towel. I would advise that at this point, you pick up your collection container. There's this tip here. Hold on to the tip, open it, make sure not to touch the inside of the container or the inside of the lid, and then you drop it close to your WC. Okay? So, what you will do next, for females, you will need like 3 antiseptic wipes because you will need one for each side of the labia minora and the other one, the third one, to wipe from the urethra down, always from front to down, from the point of the clitoris down to the end. Then the third one, clean. For males, I'm sorry I do not have penis to demonstrate that for male. For male, you will need to clean the tip of the penis, and if you are an uncircumcised male, you will need to, pull down the foreskin and clean thoroughly, right? At this point, I would advise you not to leave your hand. Don't leave the foreskin until you have collected your urine sample. Okay, so you've cleaned your penis. For the female, you have to urinate into the toilet. There is a reason it is called a midstream urine. That's to say that you don't need the first part of the urine, you don't need the last part of the urine. We need the middle part of the urine because that's considered the cleanest part coming from the bladder. Having said that, you pass the urine without breaking the process. Pass your container and urinate the middle stream into the container. When you've collected the enough amount of urine that you want, you can put down the container, making sure that you're not contaminating the inside, right? Then you pass the remaining urine right into the WC. Now, we've done that. Okay, at this point, I would advise you to gently pick the lid of your container and close, making sure that you don't touch the inside, and then you close properly like this, right? Having done this, you will need to wash your hands. Wash your hands because, of course, we are hygienic people. So wash your hands. So after doing this, I would advise you, this is really important. If this has not been done before being handed this container, then I would advise you to do that at this point. Okay? And that is labeling your name on the container, not on the lid of the container. There's a reason you shouldn't do that on the lid of the container. The reason is this: if Mr. A brings his urine sample with the lid labeled and Mr. B brings his sample with the lid label. Now you get to the lab. The lab attendant now opens the container from A, Mr. A, and that from Mr. B because he wants to test it immediately. But something draws his attention, and when he comes back to the urine, he really doesn't know whose urine is this, right? So it is advisable to label your urine, not here, but here. And please, not just your name, because two persons can have the same name. Label your name and your date of birth. If possible, dates of collection, and time. And then, please, do not leave this urine at home for a long time. And that's it. By following these steps, you ensure that your urine sample is collected properly and it's now ready for accurate testing. At this point, you might be wondering, what time is best for me to take this urine sample to the doctor? The answer is the sooner, the better. Within 2 hours is best. If you have any question or you need further instructions, please do not hesitate to contact your healthcare provider. You can also leave me some comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay healthy. Bye.